Choose the right wax. Opt for soft wax for finer hair, and hard wax for coarser hair. Hard wax is gentler on the skin, making it beginner-friendly for sensitive areas. Perform a patch test. Always test a small area of your skin to check for allergies or reactions to the wax. This step prevents discomfort during the process. Gather the necessary tools. Ensure you have a wax kit, applicator sticks, strips if needed, baby powder, and soothing lotion to achieve professional results at home. Prepare your skin. Exfoliate your skin 24 hours before waxing to remove dead skin cells and reduce the risk of ingrown hairs. Avoid moisturizers on waxing day. Clean, dry skin allows wax to adhere better, leading to smoother results. Trim hair to the right length. Hair should be approximately inch long for optimal waxing. Too short, and it won't grip. Too long, and it may be painful. Warm the wax properly. Ensure the wax is warm but not hot to prevent burns. Use a wax warmer or follow the heating instructions provided in your kit. Apply baby powder. Dust a small amount of baby powder on your skin to absorb excess moisture and improve wax adhesion. Apply wax in the direction of hair growth. This technique ensures maximum grip and reduces discomfort when pulling the wax off. Pull against the hair growth. Quickly remove the wax strip against the direction of hair growth for a cleaner result. Keep the skin taut. Hold your skin tight while pulling off the wax strip to minimize pain and prevent bruising. Don't wax the same spot twice. Repeated waxing of the same area can cause irritation and damage to the skin. Cool down the skin immediately. Use a cold compress or soothing aloe vera gel to calm the skin after waxing. Avoid hot showers post-wax. Steer clear of hot water, saunas, and intense workouts for at least 24 hours to prevent irritation. Exfoliate regularly post-wax. Gently exfoliate the waxed area 2-3 days after waxing to prevent ingrown hairs. Use soothing creams or oils. Products with aloe vera, tea tree oil, or chamomile are great for reducing redness and inflammation. Avoid sun exposure. Protect your waxed skin from direct sunlight for 24-48 hours to prevent sensitivity or discoloration. Don't wax over cuts or broken skin. Always avoid waxing areas with wounds, rashes, or active acne. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water before waxing to keep your skin supple and reduce sensitivity. Read the instructions. Always follow the instructions provided with your waxing kit for safety and optimal results. Have patience. Your first time might take longer, but practice makes perfect. Take your time to ensure accuracy and comfort. Avoid tight clothing post-wax. Loose clothing helps reduce friction and irritation after waxing. Know when to seek professional help. If you're unsure or feel uncomfortable with DIY waxing, consult a professional for guidance or assistance. Thanks for tuning in, folks. Don't forget to hit that like button if this video was helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more great content like this one.